Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to pin tabs in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, what you're going to do here is you have to go to your Google web browser and then search for that specific site that you want to pin later. So for example, I am going to pin Google Maps, so I have to search this one first, tap on Google Map right here. Another thing, if you want to search again, just click this plus icon and then this time I'm going to pin YouTube. So I'm going to search YouTube here and then tap on YouTube. Now, if you want to add another site again, just click new tab and then here I am going to search for Instagram. Now, the question is how are you going to pin these tabs? So for example, I'm going to pin Google Maps first. What you're going to do here is just right click that specific tab. And then after that, scroll down here till you see the word pin. Tap this one. And that's it. Next is YouTube. Right click, look for pin, tap on pin. And then the last one is Instagram. Right click, look for pin, and then pin. And that's how you basically pin tabs in Google Chrome. If you want to pin again, just right click and then look for and pin. You can easily unpin this one. But basically, that's how you pin tabs. You can add more if you want. Just right click, tap pin, and that's how you pin tabs in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.